Hey y'all, it's me, Slave by Jordan.
I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know.
All right, y'all, we are working with Asteria hair today. Let's look at the goodies that they sit inside the packaging.
Cause you got desires. You got that fire. And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, really had to talk aside.
This is a 32-inch straight 13x4 HG lace 250% density wig. This hair is super silky, super soft. The lace is super thin. It's plucked to perfection and the knots come already bleached, baby. 10s across the board. Shout out to Asteria hair. We are back with my beautiful muse, Burr. We're going to get this install started. Off camera, I did not pluck this wig, you all. I just bleached the knots just a little bit more, but I did not pluck this wig whatsoever. This is the pluck fresh from the company. Like I said, this wig comes out the box ready, like ready to slay. I've already positioned the wig on her head, and I'm just cutting out those ear tabs before I sew it down.
Hey, self-control has never been a thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a rock in it. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks in it. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you pouring vegan but still beef on me again? How the fuck you seen so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap, man. I see it back in search, remember who took it first, and don't you forget it. That's your whip, we ain't got back on your shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desire. I know.
As you can see, I've already applied the glue in the shape of her hairline, and now I'm just smoothing it back. Make sure that you smooth it back as evenly as possible and that each layer turns clear before you apply the next. We did 4 layers today, but I'm just going to show you me doing this one half side.
Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go?
That last layer has turned clear, so now it's time to lay that lace down.
You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good, so you should have stayed silent. Next guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
Now we're going to blow dry the hair, interchanging between warm and cool air for about a minute, using the teeth of the comb to help us push that lace into the skin. Now that we're done blow drying, we're going to go ahead and part her off and then clip her hair up and tie it down with our melt band for about 10 minutes. Her 10 minutes are up, so now we're going to take that melt band off and we're going to proceed to cut off that excess lace. And now let's do those same steps on the other side. Are y'all seeing this? Like, really, like, get into that lace. Like, there is no lace. This is literally her scalp. Like, honey, that lace melted down. We ain't even fully melted it yet, but we don't even have to. Now I'm taking my wax stick and we're just gonna make sure that her part is directly in the center of her head, and then we're gonna hot comb that down to get everything flat. Now, if you don't want to do baby hairs, you could just take some hairspray and an edge brush and just slick everything back and continue on with your styling. But today she did want baby hairs, so we are going to do 2 on each side. So I'm just parting out the hairs for that right now. And then we're just going to braid them out the way. I like to use my wax stick and my hot comb behind the baby hairs just to slick everything behind the baby hairs out the way and, you know, get it real sleek. Like I've said in previous videos, if your lace is already pretty much melted, you don't need to use the high hold hairspray. Make sure you're using a light hold or flexible hold hairspray. And today we're using our Straight Request Hair Flex. We're going to spray that from a distance all over her hairline, and then we're going to tie that down with our milk band. Make sure whenever you're spraying these laces with these hairsprays, you spray from a distance, because if you get the lace too wet, sometimes it cannot work in your favor. So just do that. I left that band on for about 5 to 7 minutes and I took it off, and as you can see, we are melted down, honey. And we're getting to doing our baby hairs. I'm just cutting them with my eyebrow razor. I'm going to curl them upwards with our Red by Kiss pencil flat irons, and then we're just going to start swooping them into place. We're using the only foam I use for my baby hairs, the Influence Honey Almond Styling Foam. And we're just going to swoop those baby hairs into place. And once we get them to our desired liking, we're going to tie them down with about 2 to 3 wrap strips. And we're going to proceed with styling.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face.
To press this hair out today, we'll be using our Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat spray, spraying from a distance on each section. And we'll be flat ironing this hair on 450 degrees. And you just want to make sure that you use the chase method to get the ultimate straightness and take smaller sections.
Busybody, baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside.
Look at the luster and the silkiness in this hair. Shout out to Asteria hair. Bomb wigs every single time. Get into that quality. They not playing, y'all. Her baby hairs are done drying, so we're just gonna cut those wrap strips off and show you the baby hairs just raw from just being freshly dry. Of course, we're gonna customize them off camera, but even before the customization, they was laid, honey. Get into those baby hairs, y'all. We back on our little baby hair move, you know. It just depends on my mood. I be with the baby hairs and sometimes I don't, but today I was like, let's bust you down and get used to baby hairs. Anyways, now I'm using my Clairol Root Touch-Up pen in the color black just to make that part more skinnier and more defined and not so wide. And then we're also going to take some powder and put it directly in the middle of the part just to make it pop some more. And then we're going to spray some high hold hairspray on that just to seal it off and lock it into place. Make sure you blow dry this on high or cool air, whatever you prefer. But just make sure that everything is dry so nothing is transferred. And now let's get into that final look. And once again, you all, shout out to Asteria Hair. Make sure you check the description box below for more information and links on how to purchase this wig. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye. I love y'all.